the craze from Europe has finally made its way overseas to the States. With its sleek design and style that can flatter any bedroom, you're bound to find a platform bed that fits perfectly into your decor. The benefits of these contemporary beds go far beyond the eye-catching, clean-cut appearance that they portray. Design isn't the only thing that will fit perfectly into your lifestyle. The price will too. Although the platform bed is now the hottest thing to show off in your house, they are affordable and realistic. These beds require only an inner spring mattress or futon mattress because of the support slats that are built right into the bed. There is no need for a box spring. No more downsizing the bed from king to queen size so that you can afford a box spring set. If you use a box spring because you like the height of it, you can certainly set up various platform beds with a box spring as well. Keep in mind though, being lower to the ground means a cooler night's sleep for you. I guess you could say the platform bed is the hybrid of beds. Plain and simple, it is economical. With the simplicity of the platform bed comes versatility and easy maintenance. Whether you are looking to replace your existing bed or looking for an entirely new bedroom set, this bed is perfect for the occasion. Being so transitional, the platform bed can blend into any set that you already have or that you are looking to purchase. It complements all different styles and can be decorated to have a more modern, clean line look or even to have a warm, inviting look, depending on your taste. The style of the platform bed allows for ease and convenience. On some models there are storage drawers beneath the bed or storage areas within the headboard of the bed. This makes it convenient to have extra linens and pillows right there within reach or to even use the space as an extension of your closet if your wife's cloths are overwhelming your side of the walk-in. Whatever its use, it adds to the bed's charm and character. There are many different platform beds out there, which can make it almost impossible to see each and every one while shopping for your new bed. But with all of those choices, you can be certain you will find the perfect one for your needs. You can choose from wood frames, metal, upholstered, leather, or canopied. Some have high headboards, low headboards, no headboards, all is true for the footboards as well. You can have one that sits on the floor or one that is lifted slightly. Not only can you choose the size of the bed, like you would with any other, from twin to king, but you can also choose to have a round bed. That should add a new spice to the bedroom. With its many designs, styles, and shapes there is sure to be one to complete and complement the look of your room. If ever there was a bed to be so versatile and economical at the same time, this is it. The best word to describe the platform bed is perfect.